How should you get feedback on your sound design demo reel? Well, the first thing I'll recommend is if you're emailing someone who's busy, like a busy sound designer, don't just email them asking for general feedback. I get about 300 emails like this a month and I'm never able to respond. Why? Because one, time constraints, and two, I have no idea what they're looking for. It's just a general question that's so vague that there's no way I can get back to them with any usable advice. Instead, what I recommend you do is you ask for very specific feedback. So you can say, here's a cutscene that I did. There are footsteps here that I tried doing X, Y, and Z on, but they still don't sound right. Would you recommend I do A, B, or C to improve those footsteps? And is there anything else that you recommend I do on top of that to improve that one specific sound? That way, the person that you're emailing or wanting to get feedback from can get back to you immediately and respond very quickly with really good feedback. If you're asking just in general, can you give me some positive and negative feedback on my reel? And that's a question I get all the time, then no one's going to be able to get back to you if they're really busy, because watching a reel and giving just general feedback takes a really long time. So when you're reaching out to someone to ask for their advice, be as specific as humanly possible, and that'll drastically increase the amount of feedback that you're getting from other people. So if you enjoyed that game audio FAQ, please make sure to subscribe and click the little bell so you get notified, literally what every other YouTuber on the planet tells you to do. And also sign up for my newsletter where I give you access to 2 free courses that'll teach you how to work, negotiate, network, and get paid in the game industry.